My father's pantry. Despensa in Spanish, from dispensus, meaning well apportioned, and yours was copious, Papa. Your inalienable domain where you hung chorizos, dribbling smoky grease, blood and rice sausages big as cast iron pipes. Your prized ham pata negra from those acorn-fed black pigs of Salamanca, a whole leg coddled for years in salt sacrament, mottled skin supple as vellum, sweet bone to crack for garbanzo stew. How I loved the smell of your larder in the morning, sausages pulsing with spice, perspiring paprika, your lair, your cave, your underworld of charcuterie and Cuban cigars that took on that dry-cured taste you cherished as you drank old scotch, which is when you told stories of growing up so poor that hairy cracklings were a feast. It is food, you'd say, more than time itself, that heals the pain of poverty. Perhaps that's why you found grace, carving ham in its steel rack, your long, pliant knife slicing off the marbled meat thin as hosts.